Hi everyone, I have Apple Watch Series 6 and I would like to show you how Mickey and Minnie speaks in different languages. I already have video how they speak, but I could not make it working with different languages. Now I know how to do this and I'm going to show you how to achieve this. I'm going to show 9 different languages: English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Hindi, Arabic, German, Japanese and Portuguese. Let me start with English and then I'm going to show you how to change the language, what are the tricks, and show how it looks like. Now it's English.
It's 8:48. Good evening.
You see, sometimes Minnie speaks some other words like good evening,
It's 8:48.
not just a time.
It's 8:48.
Now let me switch to Mickey.
It's 8:48. Good evening. It's 8:48. It's 8:48.
In order to switch to the different languages, I need to do it from the phone. I need to run the watch application. Go to general settings and language and region and change the language. Choose now French. I need to confirm French. And on Apple Watch screen will be like this, and in few minutes watch will come back with the French language, but Minnie or Mickey, they're not going to speak immediately. You need to wait around 1.5 or 2 hours with the watch connected to the phone and Wi-Fi when they start speaking. You see, if I tap now, nothing happens, and you need to really wait. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's a bit less, but you need to wait around 1.5 or 2 hours, and then they will start speaking. Now I'm going to show you other different languages. Now I'm going to show how Minnie speaks in French.
Il est 9h56. Il est 9h56.
And now let me change it to Mickey.
Il est 9h57. Il est 9h57. Il est 9h57. Il est 9h58. Il est 9h58.
Now I'm going to show how she speaks Spanish.
Son las 11:48. Son las 11:48. Son las 11:49.
And now Mickey.
Son las 11:49. Son las 11:49. Son las 11:50.
Now let's try Chinese.
现在是11:14。现在是11:14。现在是11:14。
And now Mickey.
现在是11:15。现在是11:15。现在是11:15。
Now I'm going to try Hindi.
10:26. 10:26. 10:26.
And now Mickey.
10:17. Good night, dost. 10:17. 10:17.
Now let's try Arabic.
9:14. 9:14. 9:15.
And now Mickey.
إنها 9:15. إنها 9:15. إنها 9:15.
And German.
Es ist 22:39. Es ist 22:39. Es ist 22:39.
And sometimes, she's laughing and doing some funny stuff. Let's check Mickey.
Es ist 22:40. Gute Nacht, Kumpel. Es ist 22:40. Es ist 22:40.
Now it's Japanese.
6時29分よ。 29分よ。6時29分よ。
And Mickey?
6時29分だよ。6時29分だよ。6時29分だよ。
Now Portuguese?
São 3h59. São 3h59. São 3h59.
And now Mickey?
São 3h59. São 3h59. São 3h59.
I hope this video was useful. Thank you, bye.